Throughout the year, we attend many exhibitions in London, Birmingham, Harrogate and Glasgow. The events we attend are the Home Building and Renovating shows, Grand Designs, where we are today, and the Ideal Home Show. Our exhibition stands are always impressive. It's fair to say we showcase more of our product options than some of our competitors' showrooms.
The strategic decision behind creating a stand of this sort of calibre, realistically, is just to be able to show exactly what Express can do as a business and show exactly what we can offer to the customer.
Customers that have visited our showroom often come to our stand to get a second look at the products. We never use promo staff on our stands. Customers will meet with the team directly, whether that is our sales executives from all our showrooms or one of our managing directors of the company. All our team are friendly and knowledgeable and can offer advice around architectural plans. We can talk through your initial ideas, give advice or just pass on a brochure. If we are launching a new product, we often show our most popular bifolding doors and sliding doors. On larger stands, like the one here you see today, we also demonstrate our windows, our internal blinds and our colour options. We regularly update our social media channels and websites with details of the upcoming exhibitions. So visit expressbifold.co.uk to see which event we are attending next.